Okay, I'll call this meeting to order. Would you please all rise for the Pledge of Allegiance? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, all are present with the exception of Jonathan and Melissa. Do I have a motion to approve the agenda? By Mary, second.
Second.
By Stacy. Any comments or questions? All those in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? That motion carries 5-0. Business items, approval of bid packages. Jim? Jeff?
Board Dr. Scalo, before this evening, we have 3 bid packages to approve. I'll start with the most recent high school, bid pack 13. We have 8. First one is to Gaston Inflex Concrete, the amount of $2 million. Work scope 341. Structural precast, Wells Concrete, 830. Work scope 513. Structural steel supply, Ben Structural Fabrication Incorporated, in the amount of $1,797,000. Work scope 810. Doors, frames, hardware and supply, Twin City Hardware, in the amount of $439,624. Work scope 2200, plumbing and HVAC, Clam Mechanical, in the amount of $2,935,000. Work scope 2300 and 2405, HVAC, ventilation and testing and balancing. It's combined bid.
Yes, sir.
Thielen Heating and Roofing, $1,684,000. Work scope 2600, electrical, Laketown Electric, in the amount of $3,420,000. And finally, for bid pack 13, work scope 3101, earthwork and site utilities, New Look Contracting, in the amount of $1,709,877. So in summary, Nexus recommends the board to award the following bids, or the previous bids, for $15,303,861.
Do I have a motion to accept the high school addition and renovation bids as presented?
So moved.
By Mary, second.
Second.
By Stacy. Any comments or questions? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? That motion carries 5-0.
Thank you.
Next package.
Our next bid is bid package 14. So this is for the high school, this is mechanical equipment, supply only. So it's owner purchase. We avoid sales tax and contractor markup by purchasing the equipment ourselves. We have bid line number 1, air terminal units, Schwab, Bullhammer, and Lubrant, SVL for short, in the amount of $28,525. Bid line 2, air-cooled condensing units, again, SVL, in the amount of $353,230. Bid line 3, modular energy recovery units, SLV, $137,560. Bid line 4, modular air handling units, SVL again, in the amount of $52,595. And bid line 5, package rooftop unit, Schwab again, in the amount of $348,750. Again, we are looking for a approval of these for bids totaling $920,660.
Do I have a motion to approve the bids for the high school mechanical supply?
So made.
By Stacy, second.
Second.
By Mary. Any comments or questions? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? That motion carries 5-0. One more.
Okay, one more, and this is for Bridges Area Learning Center. And again, if you remember, we had some high bids the first time around, so we repackaged a couple of bids. So for work scope number 7, aluminum entrances, storefronts, window glazing, Empire House Incorporated, in the amount of $62,400. Work scope 7, aluminum entrances, storefronts, windows, glazing. It's aluminum windows and glazing, again to Empire House Incorporated, in the amount of $112,010. So we are recommending the board approve these quotes for the amount of $174,410.
A motion to approve the bids for the Bridges Area Learning Center by Enrique. Second?
Second.
By Michael. Any comments or questions? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? That motion carries 5-0.
Thank you.
Thank you. Moving on to the amendment to the PLA agreement. Mr.
Good
Holberg.
evening, Chair Schimick, members of the board, Dr. Stallo. In your board pack is a memo and an amendment to, with PLA, to change the contingency date as listed in the agreement from January 31st to April 15th. This is due to required time needed for platting, the development of the northbound road 156, and stormwater plan. So with that, we're seeking board approval on this amendment.
Do I have a motion to approve the amendment as presented?
So made.
By Mary, second? By Enrique. Any comments or discussion?
One
Stacy?
comment. And I asked this during the study session. Our legal team has approved this, I'm assuming, right?
Yes, our legal counsel has reviewed and agrees with it.
Okay, thank you.
And we did have some discussion at the work session over this, so. Any other comments, questions? Okay, all those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? That motion carries 5-0.
Thank you.
Thank you. Seeing no other items on our agenda, we are going to adjourn, I hope. Do I have a motion to adjourn?
So moved.
By Mary, second. By Enrique. All those in favor say aye.
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 Opposed? That motion carries 5-0. Thank you for coming.